A cat. Catty. Cat, it is an animal. I saw a black cat in the garden. Catty. Mean or spiteful in speech. She made a catty remark about her friend. Sting. Stingy. Sting, a sharp pain or prick. The bee's sting really hurt. Stingy. Not generous, unwilling to share. He's too stingy to leave a tip. Rash. Rashly. Rash, a skin irritation. He got a rash from the plant. Rashly. Without thinking, recklessly. She rashly agreed to the trip. Stick. Sticky. Stick, a small branch. The dog fetched the stick. Sticky. Tending to stick, gluey. The candy made my fingers sticky. Fish. Fishy. Fish, an aquatic animal. We caught a big fish. Fishy. Suspicious or strange. That story sounds fishy to me. Slipper. Slippery. Slipper, a light, comfortable shoe worn indoors. She put on her slippers before going to the kitchen. Slippery. Difficult to stand or hold on to because it's smooth or wet. The floor is slippery after mopping. Jam. Jammy. Jam, fruit spread or blockage. I had toast with strawberry jam. Jammy. Lucky, British slang. He's so jammy, he always wins. Scrap. Scrappy. Scrap, a small piece or leftover. Throw the scrap into the bin. Scrappy. Aggressive or disorganized. He's a scrappy little fighter. Smell. Smelly. Smell, a scent or odor. I love the smell of fresh bread. Smelly. Having a bad odor. His socks are very smelly after football. Crab. Crabby. Crab, a sea animal. I saw a crab on the beach. Crabby. Easily annoyed or irritable. He's always crabby in the morning. Cheese. Cheesy. Cheese, dairy food. I love cheese on my pizza. Cheesy. Silly or overly emotional. The movie had a cheesy ending. Run. Runny. Run, to move fast. He can run faster than me. Runny. Liquid or watery. My nose is runny today. Sex. Sexy. Sex, biological characteristics distinguishing male and female. They studied the differences between sex and gender. Sexy. Sexually attractive. She wore a sexy dress to the party. Spice. Spicy. Something that adds flavor. I love Indian food with spice. Spicy. Hot or strong in flavor. This curry is too spicy. Game. Gamey. Game, a competitive activity. Let's play a game. Gamey. Having a strong, often unpleasant taste, like game meat. The dish had a gamey flavor.